Hello, my name is Richard Garcia. I'm the factory applications engineer for bridge drivers. This year we're highlighting a couple of new parts that were designed specifically for battery-powered tool applications or any application that is battery-powered. This product is the HIP 2103 and the HIP 2104. It has some unique features that are very important to battery applications, one of which is very low bias current. We have a technology that allows us to implement sleep mode without needing a separate enable pin. The smaller package, the HIP 2103, is in an 8-pin 3x3 DFN package, which is about as small as you can get, which is important for applications such as handheld tools that require very small area. The HIP 2104 is also exactly the same as the HIP 2103, except that it also has two internal voltage regulators. One regulator operates at 12 volts, the other regulator operates at 3.3 volts. The 12 volts is used to provide the bias for the driver section itself, and the 3.3 volt is used to provide the bias for the external controller. In a typical application, such as the BLDC three-phase motor, you would use one 2104 to provide the bias, and you would then use an additional two other HIP 2103s to provide the three gate drives that are necessary for a BLDC motor. This demo board that we have utilizes all two drivers, the HIP 2104 and two 2103s. We use a data card for the controller so that if you desire to evaluate our drivers, but with your own controller, it's easy to replace the data card with your own controller using whatever method you want to use. This product has been operating for 3 days now off of a 20-volt battery. Of course, we don't have a very heavy load, but just a good example of how power efficient you can be with a BLDC motor. Also available with the demo board, or independently if you like, we have an application note that covers in quite a bit of detail the basics of how a three-phase BLDC motor operates. We also have a data sheet. Both of these products are released and in production. To get more information, please go to our Intersil website, intersil.com, and you will, just by entering the part numbers, HIP 2103 or HIP 2104, you'll be directed to the main web page that provides all the information you can possibly need for this driver.